Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zahani Batrisha, and today I would like to share about my industrial training placement at Renewable Energy Lab, which is in UITM Shah Alam. So, my supervisor name is Associate Prof. Madia, Dr. Muhammad Faris, Muhammad Taib, and I have a co-supervisor named Dr. Shazwan Saimin. In this video, I would like to share about company background, industrial training activities, and also the conclusion of my industrial training. So we go for the company background first. Renewable Energy Lab is located at Faculty of Applied Science, which is FSG that located at UITM Shah Alam. So, renewable energy lab is where there are two projects that was held there and is connected with IMET lab, which is in the UITM Shah Alam. Before we go further about this project, I want to share that this project collaboration between UITM and Petronas. So, what UITM produce is a smart battery and nano generator project. Okay, next we go for the first project, which is smart batteries. So, what is difference between smart graphene batteries and the commercial one? Okay, here I want to share that smart graphene batteries is improvised of the commercial one, which is in the smart graphene battery they have doped with 1% graphene. So why graphene? Is because graphene can improve the conductivity of cathode, more stables, and more stable charge, and can graphene also can improve the cyclability. So here I show the table, which is the advantage of the graphene. Next is second project. So this is a nano generator project. So I want to share some concept of nano generator project. So first is when the wind energy comes and spin the wind turbine. There are two energy coupling that occur. First is rotational energy, and second is vibration energy. Then vibration energy and rotational energy will produce electromechanical conversion that can generate electrical energy. So, nano generator is the function of nano generator is to harvest um, wind energy and converting it to electrical energy. Now I want to show the organization's chart of battery. So the head of this project is Associate Prof. Madya Dr. Muhammad Faris Muhammad Taib, which is my supervisor. So the members of this project is Prof. Dr. Abdul Malik, Prof. Dr. Oscar, Prof. Dr. Muhammad Zual Sahan, and IR Dr. Rahimi. Here is a research team and postgraduate that involved in the Smart Graphene Batteries project. Now, I want to show the organization chart for Nano Generator. So, the head of Nano Generator project is Prof. Dr. Oscar Hastinor Hassan, and the co-head of the project is Associate Prof. Dr. Muhammad Faris Muhammad Taib. And here, the project members that involved in the Nano Generator project. Here, the research officer and the postgraduate that involved in this project. Now we go for the industrial training activities. One of the activity that I do while I internship in Renewable Energy Lab is I do the testing. So the testing was about battery, and the battery was applied on the buggy and bicycle. So we call the buggy is e-buggy and the bicycle is e-bike. So the test I help the team to discharge the battery to see the performance of the battery. The performance of battery can be seen using BMS, which is the battery can be Bluetooth to the BMS, and we can see the temperature of the battery, SOC of the battery, voltage of the battery, and also the distance of the we go for how long the battery was used. Next is vibration test on battery. So I got the trust by my team to help them to do the vibration test. So vibration test was held at the engineering lab because of at my lab we don't have the shaker. So we used two different frequency to see the performance of battery when they got low impact of battery, low impact on the battery and high impact on the battery. We want to see either the voltage and the SOC was dropped or not. So the data was collected every 50 minutes for 3 hours to see the performance of the battery. Next is I also involved in nano generator project, which is I help the team to collect the data. So how the data was collected is they use oscilloscopes. So from the oscilloscope we can see the voltage of the frequency, voltage of the nano generator, the frequency of nano generator, either high or not. So they help me how to read the oscilloscope and how to handle this oscilloscope. I also got opportunity to join several events at UATM, whereas the first one is Petronas Showcase, which is held at NX UATM Shah Alam. So from the event, I also been one of the presenter about the project. So it is very memorable uh, experience for me. So the second event that I got the opportunity to join is IADEX. So IADEX, I'm not the presenter, but I can learn how Dr. Hamizah present about our product, and Alhamdulillah, we got a silver award for batteries. One of the memorable activity that I had at renewable energy lab is I also involved in meeting with Petronas members. So from there I can see how they do a meeting and discuss about the problem of the project and how they handle the problems. So I also can learn how they improve the project and how they share their idea on the project. So for me, it's very good experience. Last but not least, I also learned how to write report for the batteries. So Dr. Hamisa and Dr. Shirin called me to make a report with them, and from there I learned how to collect the data using Excel and many more experience that very memorable for me. Next, we go for the conclusion of my industrial training. So this is what I got from my industrial training at Renewable Energy Lab is I learned the process of making a smart graphene batteries. I learned also the principles of nano generator, which is this both project is really relate to physics, and this internship also helped me to improve my technical skills and also my soft skills. And in this company, also I learned and I realized that the importance of teamwork in organizations. And next is I also learn how the working multinational company with various peoples, and very important is I gain a lot of knowledge using analysis, data, and programs. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you.